The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to bring about some groundbreaking changes. One major feature is the Live Call Translate, powered by Galaxy AI, allowing real-time translation during phone calls. It can convert spoken words in one language to text and voice in another language, making communication seamless. The phone will also feature Galaxy AI for various tasks such as typing, generating images, and even assisting with language improvement in messages and emails. The device will introduce a new 50-megapixel 5x zoom camera with a larger sensor, replacing the previous 10x zoom. Additionally, a new 200-megapixel sensor with Samsung's AnyPlay Zoom technology enables high-quality zooming in 4K video without losing clarity. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will utilize the Snapdragon 8 Next Gen 3, boasting GPU capabilities comparable to the Apple M1 laptop chip. The CPU performance is expected to be on par with the Apple S17 Pro. The phone will feature a titanium frame for increased strength and reduced weight, along with a fully flat display and slim bezels for a sleek design. The device will sport the brightest display ever on a Samsung Galaxy flagship, reaching 2600 nits of peak brightness. Moreover, it will offer a 120 Hz LTPO refresh rate screen, enhancing battery efficiency. One of the most innovative features is the integration of satellite connectivity, enabling users to send or receive emergency messages from anywhere on Earth. The official launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to take place on January 17, 2024. Overall, these features represent a significant leap forward for Samsung's flagship smartphones. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.